Hi friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable auto blocker on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So what you want to do a swipe up and go to your settings. Then you want to scroll down to where you find security and privacy. Tap on that. Then you want to scroll down again and you will find the auto blocker. So you want to tap on that. And here you can easily turn this on if you so desire. So as you can see here, mine is currently off. So I can simply toggle it on and it will be enabled. And there are a few benefits to it. As you can see, it blocks up from unauthorized sources and also turn on app security check. So it will continuously check install apps to see if there is any malicious activities, and also blocks commands by USB cable. So malicious chargers, computers, and other devices won't be able to send commands to your phone when it's connected by USB. So this is very useful, guys, if you're using, let's say, a corporate phone and you have a lot of company data there. It is always wise to enable the auto blocker. And of course, for your personal use as well, it could be very useful. On top of that, once you enable it, there's two additional advanced protection that you get, which is the message app protection and also block software updates by USB cable. So these are some additional important protection that you can have enabled or disable if you so desire. But very useful stuff, guys. Hope you found this useful. And if you do, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.